Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to rotate a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro, and now from here we have our video right here. So all we have to do in order for us to rotate this video is first select that clip that you want to rotate or video that you want to rotate. And then from here you want to go into your effects control right here. And then from here you want to go and adjust the rotation option right here. So we can do it like this one. Right here you can see the video moving as I change the value. So all you have to do basically is hold and then drag your mouse right here. You can control it to the left or to the right here depending on what you want. But you can also go here to reset it. So click on this icon so that you can reset the value. And if you just want to turn this into landscape, you could just go for 90, or you can go for negative 90 if you want the other side, just like that, or you can go for 180 right here. This is the opposite. Or if you want to go 360, then it's basically the same. Right here it's basically the 0 value right there. And you can also keyframe it if you want, so you can go for rotation and you can see it rotating as it moves onto the video. And we want here to the value of this right here. So when you play it, it will be now like this. And yeah, that is the power of keyframe and the rotation. So that is basically it on how you can rotate your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.